Good morning, dear students. Today we'll study new chapter Atoms and Molecules. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, do you know what are atoms and molecules? Suppose we are taking a piece of matter, and this matter can be anything, any piece of paper, any piece of cloth, anything, and you just cut it in two parts, then cut it in four parts, then further cut it in 6 parts, 8 parts, and keep cutting it in smaller and smaller pieces. Now, what happens? After long time, when you are cutting it into many pieces, further division is not possible. Now, when no division is possible, then ancient scientists they gave it name Parmanu, and in English we say it atom. So atom is the particle of matter which cannot be further divided into small particles. This was said before the scientists. This atom is the smallest particle of any matter. But children, this is given by old ancient scientists because that time they did not know that atom has subatomic particles also. But afterwards the scientists they kept on changing the rules, they kept on experiencing, they kept on experimenting, and then they found that the subatomic particles, protons, electrons and neutrons are also present. And children, the size of single atom is so small that you cannot imagine it, you cannot think also how small it is. We cannot see an atom with a naked eyes. So we need microscope, electron microscope. The term atom was introduced by John Dalton. John Dalton was the scientist who gave the term atom. Now suppose we have one atom of hydrogen, so we'll show it by H. And suppose we have one more atom of hydrogen, then we'll show it by one more H, and you can write it H2. If you have two atoms of hydrogen, you can write it H2. Then what is H? Atom. And what is H2? Molecule. So what you are understanding? Molecule is a group of atoms. Means H plus H is H2, and H is atom and H2 is molecule. So molecule is a group of atoms. It can be group of same atoms or different atoms, like H2 same atoms, H2O different atoms. Molecule is of three types, or molecule is classified in three types: elements, compounds and mixtures. Now what are element? Element is a molecule made up of same type of atoms, like hydrogen. So hydrogen element it is. Okay, hydrogen element has all the atoms of hydrogen. Nitrogen element has all the atoms of nitrogen. Chlorine element has all the atoms of chlorine. Oxygen element has all the atoms of oxygen. H2O element has hydrogen and oxygen atoms. So I said H2O element is, am I right? Is H2O element? No, it is compound. H2O is not element. Only H2 is element, only O is element, only N is element, N2, N, N3 element, but H2O is not element because it has H as well as O, both types of elements. So it is known as compound. So compound is a molecule which contains different types of atoms. H2O has two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. And the mass of hydrogen atom is 1 AMU. 1 AMU means 1 atomic mass unit. The mass of any element is shown by AMU, atomic mass unit. Okay, so what is the mass of hydrogen? 1 AMU, and it will be constant. Alright, it will be constant always, whether the hydrogen is produced here, there, anywhere, its mass will always be constant. Now mass of two hydrogen atoms will be 2 AMU. Mass of one oxygen atom is 16 AMU, 16 atomic mass unit. So if you find ratio by mass of both hydrogen and oxygen, so 2 upon 16, that is 1 upon 8, that is H2O means what is the ratio by mass? 1 ratio 8. So the ratio by mass of atoms always remains same of a compound. Okay, the ratio by mass of atoms. By mass, how many atoms are? What amount of atoms are present in a compound? By mass, what amount of atoms are present in a compound will always remain constant or same. Like H2O में by mass H2 or hydrogen and oxygen's ratio will be same. In carbon dioxide, by mass carbons and oxygen's ratio will be same. Okay, so ratio by mass always remains constant. So compound, what is compound? Compound is a molecule which contains different types of atoms like H2O, CO2, CO, H2SO4, HNO3, etc. Now, suppose we take a pot or a beaker, and in that we mix different types of elements and compounds without keeping this thing in mind that how much we are adding, means what ratio we are adding, in which ratio we are adding. So such type of the substance which we will get is known as mixture. So what is mixture? Mixture is something in which different types of substances are mixed together in any ratio or any proportion. So when two or more than two types of matter or substances combine together with each other in any ratio, then or in any proportion, then they form a mixture. So mixture में no, we will not say that ratio by mass is constant. We cannot say this. Okay. Examples of mixture are sand and water, sugar and water, salt and water, etc. Thank you children. Have a nice day.